Friction and lubrication are everywhere in our daily lives. Whether it's in cars, airplanes, trains, or machinery, moving contact is all around us. To reduce energy loss, we often rely on lubrication, which is usually oil or grease. However, evaluating how a lubricant performs in a real-world application isn't always easy. This is where the tribometer comes in, a specialized instrument designed to replicate real application under well-defined, controlled conditions. In a tribometer test, we introduce a lubricant between two surfaces in relative motion, and we define the test parameters like load and sliding speed. One of the key features of a tribometer is its ability to vary the sliding speed. This is crucial for simulating friction behavior across different operating conditions. In this particular experiment, we compared the lubrication of a selection of greases. This is very important in applications like wind turbines, where bearings are subjected to acceleration and deceleration due to fluctuating wind. With the help of the tribometer, we can identify lubricants that deliver the lowest friction across a wide speed range, making it a powerful tool for fast lubricant selection.